What's so big and beautiful about this new bill anyway? What? The big beautiful bill? You gotta be kidding me! Hey, it's already here. I don't know. Maybe you like it, maybe you don't. Whether you like it or not doesn't matter. You better get ahead of it. And if you're planning on getting your windows replaced, or you're planning on getting your roof replaced, or you're planning on getting your siding replaced, you better go ahead and do those things now, because you're gonna lose out on the tax credits that come along with it. The big beautiful bill is costing you money if you own a home over 15 years old. That's right. The big beautiful bill is costing you money if you own a home over 15 years old. I'm gonna give you 3 ways in this video that the big beautiful bill is gonna cost you a ton of money if you don't pay attention and get on board with what's happening. 3 ways the big beautiful bill is costing you money. The number 1 way is because you were already costing yourself money running that AC unit nonstop. You're gonna end up having to get a new one. Let's do this, make it happen. You need to go ahead and take care of those windows or the roof. Whatever the problem is that's making that AC keep running, you gotta get it fixed. If your windows are 15 years or older, that means that's probably your problem right there. Make sure you get it fixed. That's number 1. Number 2 is if you don't get that done this year, you're missing out on major tax breaks where you could have saved a lot more money. And then you could have put that towards other things. And number 3, you're not getting the protection that you could have had when that hurricane comes, when that major storm comes, and your windows were in bad shape and your roof was in bad shape and you needed to go ahead and do it anyway, but you tried to put it off. And when you put it off, it cost you way more money because you wasn't protected. It really doesn't matter what you feel about the bill. What matters is taking advantage of the situation. The bill's already in place. You can't change that. So let's do what you can do. Let's go ahead and fix this thing. Let's get it squared away and make sure you get the benefits before the bill takes place, because it's not here yet. It takes place in 2026. This is 2025. You've got some time. Let's go. Let's do this. Go ahead and get your appointment scheduled. Get those windows tested. Get that roof inspected. Let's go. The other thing people don't realize is your insurance companies are going to charge you more because you have those old windows and because you have that old roof, because they have to pay if something happens to it. So they're going to charge you more. So you're paying more already and you could be saving. Let's put it together. Let's make this thing happen. Let's get one of those preferred contractors out there to give you a great deal so you can take advantage of the big, beautiful bill. So go ahead, let's go. Whether you like the bill or not, get a hold of it, get ahead of it. You don't like taxes, but you know how to get ahead of those. You know how to make sure you use the tax bill to your credit, and that's what you need to do right now. Get ahead of the game. Let's go. What are you waiting on? 10X!